Are you trying to decide between Ollama, VLLM, and Llama.cpp? This video will help you make that choice. Today, we'll compare these three tools. They all focus on working with machine learning models, but each has its own unique features and strengths. Let's start with Ollama. This tool is user friendly and great for beginners. It helps you manage and run models easily. You can quickly set up your environment and start experimenting. Ollama also has a strong community support, which is helpful if you face any issues. Now, let's talk about VLLM. This tool is designed for speed and efficiency. It's perfect for those who need to run large models quickly. VLLM uses advanced techniques to optimize performance. If you're working on projects that require fast processing, this might be the right choice for you. Next, we have Llama.cpp. This tool is known for its flexibility. It allows you to customize and tweak models to fit your specific needs. If you enjoy diving deep into the technical details and making adjustments, Llama CPP gives you that freedom. Now, let's look at the key differences. Ollama is great for beginners. VLLM focuses on speed, and Llama CPP offers customization. Each tool serves a different purpose. In terms of features, Ollama stands out for its ease of use. VLLM shines with its speed, while Ollama CPP excels in flexibility. Depending on your needs, one may suit you better than the others. When it comes to pricing, Ollama and Llama CPP often have free options. VLLM might be a bit more premium, especially for advanced features. So, who should choose what? If you're a beginner, go with Ollama. If speed is your priority, VLLM is your best bet. And if you love customization, Ollama CPP is for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.